All right, so what we're doing here is we are looking at Tesla. The chart on the left is the weekly chart. The chart on the right is the hourly chart. And you can see that from about July 2023, okay, from about July 2023, we've been heading in this southeasterly direction. Okay, been heading southeast. And what you can do is you can actually put some peaks and troughs into the weekly chart. So we can put in a reference peak over here. Okay. We can put in a reference trough just over here. I'll put T there for trough. And we've got a lower peak that came up in December. And since then, we've actually got a lower trough. So in terms of peak and trough analysis on a weekly chart, which is a significant time scale, Tesla's in a downtrend. What we can do is we can just keep an eye out for support levels. So we've got a support level pretty close to us from April last year. And if that fails, the more significant is right down at about $105 per share. Keep an eye on the RSI. Okay, see the RSI is below 50, and 50 is the dividing line. Above 50 is bullish momentum, below 50 is bearish momentum. So we've got bearish momentum on the weekly time frame with a lower peak, lower trough, so with a downtrend. So it's not surprising that we've got the downwards momentum here. And the longer we stay below 50, the more pressure there's going to be on Tesla's weekly chart, which is a primary trend. So just keep an eye on those support levels. Now, what's happened with Tesla is that it delivered 386,810 vehicles for Q1, and that's down from 423,000 for the comparable period last year. And market was expecting considerably higher numbers of 425,000. So you can see that Tesla's actually gapped down after the first quarter miss in terms of deliveries. So the market very disappointed with that. And what we want to do is keep an eye on the stochastic here. You can see the stochastic is under 30. And the longer that we stay under 30 here, the more the downwards momentum is building, the more pressure there's going to be on the short-term time frame. So let's just summarize what we've discussed. The weekly time frame, the primary trend showing a lower peak, lower trough with downwards momentum. We do want to keep an eye on the support levels, but if those go, and if the RSI stays below 50, there's going to be a lot of pressure on Tesla. And in terms of the short-term time frame, just keep an eye on that stochastic. If it stays below 30, there's going to be that downwards momentum. If it crosses above 30 and starts setting up, then there are going to be some market participants which are trying to catch a bargain. I'd be very careful about doing that, given the fact that the longer-term trend is showing a downtrend. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for tuning in, and speak to you again soon. Thanks very much, guys.